So to fix this problem, what you have to do first is to just restart your device. When you restart your device and it's not working, this is what you have to do. This is the second method. Just go to your phone menu and scroll down and try to search for your Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. When you open it, what you have to do is to check for the updates. So when you see updates over here, just tap on it. But when you see open like this, just leave it like that. So after updating it, what you have to do again is to go to back to your phone menu. Then after that, try to search for Reddit app. So when you find your Reddit app, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap over here, which is this symbol. Then after that, tap on it to. So when you tap on it, you're going to get into the app info of Reddit. So when you get over here, tap on the full stop, tap on OK. Then after that, tap on notifications and make sure you allow the show notifications over here. So after allowing the show notification, just check all the notifications, make sure they are all tagged, and then after that, tap on permission. Make sure every permission is also allowed over here and not denied. And after that, go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Then after that, you go back, then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is also turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone and tap on the power button for some while. And this is going to pop up when you tap on the power button for some while. Tap on restart or reboot, then tap on OK, or you wipe it to the app or to the down or to right or left, and it's going to turn off and turn on automatically. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.